With due respect and administration, I would like to take this opportunity of beginning this group discussion. May I?
Yes.
As we are here to discuss on the topic technology in agriculture, I would like to share my perspective. Technology has completely changed the way of farming in the current world. So, robotics, drones, and precision farming helps farmer to get more profit in farming with less efforts. Um, modern technology helps farmers to track the progress of crops, to identify the water needs. So I feel like technology is essential for modern agriculture. I would like to ask my friend Sneha to take the privilege and share her point of view on this.
I agree with Shruti. Drones are one of the most impactful innovations in agriculture. They are help farmers monitoring crop diseases and check soil moisture. They and spray effects fertilizers effectively. Both these both time and labor. Earlier, farmers had to manually large inspect earlier inspect large fields, but now drones can complete this task in just a few minutes.
That's true, Sneha, and I would like to share my opinion too. As the robotics plays a vital role in the modern agriculture. Robotics has the many positive benefits in the agriculture. It helps the farmers to grow faster and efficiently. Robots can plant the seeds, reduces the weeds, and harvest the crops with accuracy. It reduces the mistakes and the increases the productivity. It also reduces the time, and it reduces also time, and it is especially helpful when the workers are not sufficient or sufficient. And robotics helps the farmer to grow faster and obtain the good quality crops with the good quality and the quantity. So my point of view is that robotics plays an vital role in the modern agriculture. It grows faster and smarter and and advance to the future.
I agree, but my point of view, technology also has some problems. Machines, drones, and software is very expensive. So many farmers in India cannot buy them. Some technologies needs training. So many farmers, uh, so many farmers, uh, so many farmers do not have skill to use them properly.
In other hand, I would like to talk about precise agriculture. Precise agriculture is the one of the most important advancement in modern farming. By using technology like GPS, sensor, data analysis, farmers can understand the exact needs of their crops, whether it is water, fertilizer, pesticides. This is help in reduce wastage and protect our environment. Not only that, but it also increases productivity, because resources used uh, in a smart and efficient way. In my opinion, precise agriculture is the key to sustainable agriculture in the future.
I agree with you, Sneha. But on the other hand, precise agriculture is more expensive and it much costly. It is not affordable for the small farmers, and it require the more technical skills and training. In our country, there are many farmers which are not uh, able to use these smart and advanced devices. So our farmers can easily install these smart apps, but they cannot use it correctly, which re- uh, which which leads to many losses instead of profit. Uh, also it also it creates the dependency on the modern technology or the devices, and the devices can be fail sometimes. It gives some wrong decisions. So it will create the losses in the farming, losses of the crops. And also uh, technology is important and helpful, but it cannot but it cannot a solution of a whole of this whole problem.
I, I agree with Madhura and would like to build up on this point. Major issue is poor infrastructure. In many rural areas, internet connectivity and electricity is the most major problem. Uh, and without this, farmers cannot use advanced technologies wherever uh, farming still depend upon weather conditions. So even with the technology, it is not always guaranteed. Many farmers have low income and cannot afford expensive machines and smart devices.
I agree with you, but I would like to highlight another important aspect. I believe that technology should help farmer instead of replacing them. Like government help, well, they will give training or better infrastructures can help smaller farmers to uh, adopt it. uh, Improvement in rural internet and giving easy loans can help farmers to uh, it will help them for good technology accessible. And also farming cooperative farming can help farmers in uh, sharing the costly machines, and basis on this agriculture would get modern and efficient.
I agree with the previous speaker, but I want to add that technology can help India increase food production without harming the environment. With better tools, farmer can use less water and fewer pesticides, um, and still get the higher yields. This is important because our population is growing and we need to protect the food security. Um, Farmers can track the weather conditions and plan their farming activities for more efficiency. Um, in this long run, smart equipments or methods can make the agriculture more sustainable and profitable. In a nutshell, I would like to conclude by saying that we had a meaningful discussion on technology in agriculture. As use of technology in agriculture brings many opportunities along with certain problems and challenges to the farmers. Consider approach is necessary to combining modern technologies with farmer education and government support and sustainable practices. Only then only agriculture becomes a truly effective and sustainable. According to my point of view, focusing on awareness and daily access helps in uh, helps in maximize its benefits. So at the end, thank you all for sharing your valuable thoughts and contributing to this insightful discussion. Thank you.